Hi, my name is Gifford Teeple. I'm the owner of A Reliable Handyman. My company makes my customers happy. So basically, I take care of all the things that are broken in your house that are between the homeowner and the contractor. So jobs that are too big for the homeowner or too small for the contractor. So anything on your to-do list could be a lock is broken, or you need your walls repainted or holes fixed. I do minor plastering, minor painting, minor plumbing. If you've got leaky faucets or leaky toilets, towel bars falling off the walls, things like that that are on your to-do list, just give me a call. The reasons you should choose my company are quality, satisfaction, and communication. I do my best to communicate with the client throughout the process, see what they want, do my best to do that to their satisfaction, and then check with them before, during, and after to make sure that's exactly what they want. I had a customer recently who complained that her gutters and gutter guards were not working because she had some waterfalls coming over the gutters during the rainy season. So I went out there and took a look at it, and she had told me she had had a previous company look at it and was going to charge her $2,000 or $3,000 to replace all the gutter guards. But I discovered that the gutter guards were functioning perfectly, and the problem was just that they had done their job and the leaf debris was on top of the gutter guards. So I just cleaned off the leaf debris and everything was fine. The gutters were actually clear. So I ended up saving her $2,000 or $3,000, and she was quite happy with that. One thing I love about my job is being of service to people and helping them feel happy in their homes. So being able to do practical things to make people happy in their homes with practical jobs that they may have let go for a long time, and finally they can get them done, and it's usually relatively easy, but it makes a big difference. So if you're thinking about getting some handyman work, just remember that my motto is fixing the little things that make a big difference. So give me a call and I'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you.